Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Ram 2500 Laramie. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram is a great value with less than 46,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and navigation system.